My life changed significantly once I began to practice the law of attraction in both psychological and spiritual ways. Many people often ask me why the law of attraction isn't working for them. The answer is very simple. They aren't focusing on healing their wounds. Why do we need to use law of attraction anyway? It's because we want to transform our experiential reality. But how do we actually experience reality? Reality exists in our minds, shaped by our trauma, past wounds, negative thought patterns, and beliefs inherited from previous generations and past experiences. Even if you achieve your most desired wish, the pain of your wounds can still linger. Ignoring your wounds doesn't make them disappear. They continue to affect you. Most of the time, you can't see it. There are always consequences. So, if you truly want to change your life, begin by healing yourself. Start your healing process now. If you are interested in learning more about law of attraction and how to integrate it with your healing journey, stay tuned.